At 3 o'clock in the morning, most of North Carolina is asleep. The highways are quiet. The world feels still. But for those who wear the badge, this is when the work is most dangerous. The darkness hides what's coming. And on March 1st, 2026, on a stretch of NC 147 near the Swift Avenue exit, Master Trooper Stephen J. Perry would answer his last call. He was 30 years old, a father to a 9-month-old daughter who would never remember his voice, a trooper who had dedicated nearly 7 years of his life to protecting strangers on the highway. This is his story. Stephen Perry didn't wear the uniform because it was a job. He wore it because it was a calling. For 6 years and 11 months, he patrolled the roads of North Carolina, responding to crashes, pulling over speeders, checking on stranded motorists in the dead of night. The kind of work most people never see, the kind of sacrifice most people never think about. He was building a life, a family. His daughter had just begun to smile, to recognize his face when he came home after long shifts. He was supposed to watch her grow up. That early Sunday morning, Trooper Perry was on patrol when headlights appeared where they shouldn't be. A wrong-way driver, barreling down NC 147 in the darkness, heading directly toward him. There was no time, no room to escape. The impact was catastrophic, head-on, instant. Both drivers were killed. When a trooper falls, the entire law enforcement family feels it. The North Carolina Highway Patrol lost one of their own, a brother, a protector, a man who had sworn an oath and kept it until his final breath. His daughter lost a father she'll only know through photographs and stories. His community lost a guardian they depended on but rarely thanked. Detective John Lenehan, from thousands of miles away in New York, left a reflection that said it all. Master Trooper Stephen J. Perry, rest in peace and thank you for your dedicated service. Stephen Perry's end of watch came not in a gunfight or a chase, but in a split second of chaos he couldn't control. That's the reality of this job. Danger doesn't always announce itself. Badge C730 will never be worn again, but the legacy it represents will never be forgotten. Rest easy, Master Trooper Perry. We have the watch from here.